on the menu, but we want to see how, if I have a business that I provide some services, how I want to know how to market one, or if I need to know what kind of product to provide. And again, as I said, we'll be using insurance as a service, earring as a product, and Easter actually as a holiday. And so let's start with insurance. And when we do insurance here, let's see that. As you can see, you get to see the topic, insurance, life insurance category, vehicle insurance or categories. And when we click the topic insurance, it lets us know what's going on. And this again is worldwide. So we're in the United States. If you're selling worldwide, you could use that, but we will, for the sake, just to narrow stuff down, let's do the United States here and stuff. And now, over the United States past 12 months, we get to see the searches on insurance in general. As you can see, an average of 79 searches between December 6th and 91 searches between December 6th and the 12th there. And you also see the regions on the regions where the insurance searches were going on. So here, as you can see, New York, we break it down, and in New York we see it's like, wow, 88 people are actually searching on the average between March 8 and 14. And then it breaks down again even further in New York. And when you hover over this, you get to see the search interests per locality. Isn't that pretty cool? Kind of breaks it down for you. And then you see related topics to that: unemployment benefits, individual, omission, unemployment insurance, and why log in, which that makes sense because a lot of people are going through tough times right now. Is life insurance tax deductible and all that. And that's pretty much in New York, and it changes per region. So